Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to hide file size information in folder tips on Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To hide file size information in folder tips on Windows 11 computer, go to File Explorer. Just hover the mouse pointer on a folder. Look, the file size is showing here. Now I'm going to hide this file size information. To do so, go to three dot icon to see more and then click on options. In folder options, click on view tab. Here you will find an option display file size information in folder tips, and by default it's selected. That's why we can see file size information on the folder. Just deselect this option and then click on apply, and now click on OK. Now again hover the mouse pointer on the folder. Look, file size information is hidden right now. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.